How to make $100 a day online. Want to make $100 a day online? Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, today I'll show you the best ways to achieve this goal. Step 1. Freelancing. One of the fastest ways to start earning online is freelancing. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you offer services like graphic design, writing and editing, video editing, social media management. If you complete just 2 to 3 small gigs a day at $30, $50 each, you'll easily hit $100 daily. Step 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn passive income. You sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, promote products and earn commissions. ClickBank, sell digital products for high payouts. PartnerStack, great for SaaS, software as a service, products. Create content like YouTube videos, blog posts, or social media reviews, and drop your affiliate links. The more traffic you drive, the more commissions you make. Step 3. Print on demand. If you're creative but don't want to handle inventory, print on demand is perfect. Use platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, Printify design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and every time someone buys, you earn a cut. Just 5-10 sales a day can get you to $100. Step 4. Selling digital products. Another way to make money online is selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, custom templates, Canva, Notion, etc. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Udemy allow you to sell digital goods, meaning you create once and sell forever. Step 5. Monetizing content. If you love creating content, you can make money from YouTube Shorts, ad revenue and sponsorships, TikTok Creator Fund, Instagram Reels bonuses. Even with a small following, you can land brand deals and make $100 per sponsored post. There are endless ways to make money online, but the key is to start now. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments.